Hello, good timers, and welcome to another Good Times Productions hotel review. Today we are staying at the Doubletree Crystal City in Washington, D.C. The Doubletree is conveniently located just a half-mile south of the Pentagon, as well as the Pentagon metro stop, which will take you directly into the heart of Washington, D.C. The hotel is also conveniently located near Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport, just 1 mile away. A complimentary hotel shuttle can be reserved in advance to take you to and from the airport. Upon arrival to the hotel, it is just a quick escalator or elevator ride to the first floor where the lobby is located, right across from the newly renovated restaurant and lounge area. The hotel, restaurant, and bar is just one of 3 dining options you have at the Doubletree. The other options include the Maid Market, which is great for some quick takeout food. The market also features Starbucks coffee, as well as plenty of other drinks and snacks. Another dining option is the small cafe, which serves breakfast on a daily basis. Breakfast is not included in the room, so you will have to pay a little extra. A major highlight of the Doubletree restaurant scene is the Sky Dome Restaurant and Lounge, where you can have fine dining overlooking the Washington, D.C. area in a 360 rotating restaurant dining room. The restaurant is only open for dinner in the evenings, but what a spectacular view you have. Another featured amenity of the hotel is its modern fitness room. The fitness area features treadmills, elliptical machines, and heavy weights. Plenty of stuff to make you sweat. Looking for a place to hold your next conference? Well, the Doubletree has your back. At over 34,000 square feet of conference and meeting space. From large rooms to smaller gatherings, the Doubletree has got you covered. And now I think it's time to take a closer look at the rooms. Simone and I were booked into a standard king room. The room was spacious, clean, and comfortable, perfect for a few nights stay. And now let's take a closer look at some of the highlights. In front of the floor-to-ceiling windows is where you will find a nice comfortable couch and footstool. Beside the couch is where you'll find a work desk, place your laptop computer, and other necessities. Beside the large HD TV is where you'll find your coffee setup, and also don't forget to enjoy those wonderful Doubletree cookies with your coffee. There are many drawers to store your clothes in, and also a large size refrigerator for all of your leftovers from the lobby, and also plenty of space for drinks. Both sides of the bed feature lamps that have outlets and USB ports in them to make it easily convenient for you to plug in your cell phone or other USB equipment. The large closet in the hallway offers you a space to put your suitcases, as well as featuring an ironing board and iron, and of course the in-room safe. The bathroom is modern and clean, but we did find it to be just a little bit small for 2 people. The bathroom also features a decent-sized shower and also bathtub for soaking. With all Hilton locations, the Crabtree brand shampoo, conditioner, and body wash are featured. Although not quite in the heart of the city, we still enjoyed our stay at the Doubletree in Crystal City of Washington, D.C. We enjoyed the amenities, we enjoyed the restaurants, and we enjoyed the conference rooms. I would definitely consider staying here again, and if you're in the D.C. area, I would encourage you to as well. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, Have a good time.